Hello everybody, this will be being an unboxing of a knockoff Jimmy Ave Sing Santa. Just got milk. I just opened up the package just for mine and this. So yeah, this is the Santa. I don't know if this is his box or not, but this looks like his box. Cause I don't know if he has a box on, cause on the photos he didn't. There was only one photo of Santa, and it didn't have a box in the picture. And this seems not to be his original box. Okay, let me have a take a look. Cause it looks like. Oh wait. Okay. So it's pretty shitty packed. Okay, this is a traditional box. Okay, that's cool. Anything else in there? No, there's packing material. This box in there, screw off. So here's all packaged up. So just a close look at the box. Then I'm taking the box. Okay, Santa. Box right there. Oh, this. Okay. Let me follow this. This. Wait for this. It hasn't stick on the back. No, both of us had original back, but no. Just a random bag. But yeah. So, yeah. I don't know if he has batteries or not. I don't know if he works or not. So yeah, I will see if it works. Okay. Why is the doctor going to our space? Okay, this. It does have base. Okay, this says did not read the box. It says definitely says did not mix berries. And this is a big mix of berries. Like, goddamn. No, all work. Hope they are not dead. But yeah, oh, let me see. Back on the big. This video's over here 3 minutes. And anyway, actually Santa. I don't know if anybody's watching this video or not. Probably not. Probably nobody likes this regular content because I super just for fun. Okay, fuck this baker. Fuck off. I'll tell you what it is. Okay, works. Damn, he's quiet. He looks like he snapped off the base. Like, he is leaning back. Like, goddamn. But yeah, that's him.